Hello, Madam. This is Saida Lopez. I am 59 years of age as a domestic helper. I have worked to my first employer from 2018 from 2022 as a domestic helper. There are 6 members of the family and I am taking care of a boy special child. Also, I am cleaning the house, cooking, washing, and ironing the clothes. And for my second employer as a domestic helper in Oman, I have work experience from year 2022 to March 2024. There are 6 members of the family. I am taking care of a 7 years old boy. I am cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes. Sometimes I am washing the cars and also I am taking care of the pets like dogs and cats. Also, I have work experience in the Philippines as a babysitter for a newborn baby until he grew up until 5 years old. This is Saida Lopez. Thank you, Madam.